In this video, I'll show you how to change the music on your Instagram Reels after you've already posted them. Imagine you've uploaded your reel, added a location, tagged your friends, used hashtags, and even included music, but now you realize the music isn't quite right. I'll walk you through your options and limitations for fixing this. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Select the reel you want to edit and tap on the three dots menu. From here, choose the Manage or Edit option. Unfortunately, Instagram does not currently allow you to directly change the music or audio on a published reel. However, there are a few workarounds. You can download the reel, re-upload it, and select new music during the reposting process. If you prefer, you can also delete the original reel before reposting it to avoid duplicates. Alternatively, if you don't want to delete the original, you can move it to your archive for future reference. While there's no direct way to change the music on a posted reel, these methods can help you work around the limitation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one.